Good afternoon, friends. This is Ramesh Shete from Pune. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to explain about locking. Mainly, there are three types of locking. First, it is a TX locking, that is also called as transaction level locking or row level locking. Second, it is a UL locking, and third one, it is a TM locking. Now, in this session, we are going to explain about TX locking. So, what is mean by TX locking or transaction level locking? I will give you one example. Suppose one user want to modify one record or a single record or a single row. It modify that records and it get message one row is updated. Okay. Now he did not yet committed or roll back. Now at the same time second user want to modify that row that first user will be already modified, but he did not yet committed or roll back. So second user also fire the command, for example update emp set salary equal to 1000 where dpton equal to 2000. That row will be updated already first user, but he did not yet committed or roll back. Now the second user session will be go in a hang state or in a lock state because of first user he not yet committed or roll back. So the second user stay in a lock state or in a hang state until the first user will be not yet committed or roll back. Okay, so this scenario is called as locking or TX locking. I will show you practically what does it exactly happen. Okay, so I am going to open my VM machine. Already I have opened this machine. Okay, now I am going to open that machine. Okay, I will show you practically. Wait one second. Yeah, this is Scott user. That user I am going to that user fire the command. That user want to update the EMP record. I will show you. I will connect it as a. I will first check which user I have connected. This is this. Now I am going to connect as a Scott. Okay. Now Scott user want to update one single record. Equal to 1000 where dptno equal to or where ename equal to Smith. Okay, he get the message one row is updated. Now at the same time second user want to update that record, so I will show you. Second user is Brett. Now I will connect as Brett. First I will check it which user is already connected. I will connect it as Brett. Okay, now Brett want to modify that same record that already has been modified Scott user. Okay, so I will give you first the privilege of that Brett user, grant some update or some select statement to particular Scott schema or Scott EMP table. Okay, so I will give the privileges grant select comma update on Scott.emp to Brett. Oh, show. Oh, sorry. I want to connect slash as sysdba. Now I will give the privilege grant select comma update on Scott.emp to Brett. Oh, that's really great. Oh, the grant has been succeeded. Okay, now the Brett has get the privileges select and update. Now we will provide another important privilege create session to particular Brett user. So grant create session to Brett. Okay, that's it. Grant succeeded. Now I will show you the status of first user Scott. Okay, still he did not yet committed or roll back. but he's get the message one row is updated. Now at the same time Brett want to update that record, so I will connect it as Brett. Connected. Okay. Now Brett want to same record, update scott.emp set salary equal to 25,000 where ename equal to Smith. Now see your impact. The Brett session goes in a hang state. Because of that, the lock, that is meant by TX lock, is created by the Scott user. Okay, so this is the practically. Now wait 1 second, just I will show you. So now we are going to check what happens in background. So there is one view, what happens in background, I will check it. Okay, that means what happening in background, I want to check which user creates a log and from how much time. So there is one view called as $v session. From that view we can check which user getting a log and from how much time. Okay, so I will check it. Go to log, I will first check which user I have logging. Sorry, show user. Okay, that's it, that's great. Sys user. So there is a one view that's called as $v session. By using that view we can check which user can create the logs from how much time. So I will describe that parameter. Describe $v sessions. I will select the necessary parameter from this views to check what exactly happened. Select username, comma, seconds in wait, so I am going to select another parameter username, seconds in a wait, comma, event, and status. So status is not necessary, but I will give. Okay, that's it. State from $v session. I will manage it proper way. For 20. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now here it shows the detailed information about Brett user can get in a locking state, and that lock it is also called as TX lock. From which timing in second 670 second Brett user get a locking in TX lock. So which user, we get the detailed information about which user is getting locking from how much time. So we will get the information Brett user can lock from near about 670 seconds. So now in this we are going to, now by using this query we get the which user is affected from how much time. Now second thing is we get the information about which row is affected and which object is affected. So there is a, by using the same use we can use the, we can find out the which row is affected. Select row weight block hash. Another parameter is select row weight block hash. Select row edge obj hash